Hey, what's up you guys? John from Road Running Farm here. Today is going to be a very fun video. We are going to see which of our animals like using a splash pad the best. If you don't know what a splash pad is, it's a pad that you splash on. I don't know, you connect it to the hose and it sprinkles a little bit. Our alpacas love the sprinkler. We noticed the emus love the water. So
Try it with the dogs too, do you think?
we can try it with the dogs and see what they think, because they like water.
Yeah.
So we'll try it with everybody. We'll spray the cat with the hose. All right, so let's get started. So we got this from Amazon. I have no idea, anything about this, but let's unbox it and see what we got. Excellent quality, happy beginning. Definitely not made in China. These look like
patches.
Patches, yeah. It's actually all right. All right. Okay. Should we try it with the alpacas first?
Sure.
All right. This looks pretty straightforward. It's like they know it's going to break.
Yeah, just kind of thinking that same thing.
All right. It's funny, it's like they know something's up. They're all checking it out. So it's pretty straightforward. Just connects to a little inlet here. So we're gonna lay this out right here. We'll see how it goes. I hope this turns into something, because last time we tried to do something like this, they didn't care at all.
What did we try to do?
Remember the stuffed alpaca?
Oh, yeah.
All right, here we go. Device is too hot. Marshmallow loves the fresh water.
It's nice that it's big enough for the food that it wants.
So Petal decided that she liked it so much she's gonna take a little bath and just sit there.
And it's funny, Marshmallow is mostly drinking, like not necessarily food.
Yeah. What do you think, Petal?
So cute. All right, so the girls love it.
All right, so I'd say on a scale of 1 to 10, it's about a 37 that they like.
It's nice to see Maggie.
Yeah, so Frosty Snowball also really sort of asserted themselves getting in there. They really, really like it.
Yeah, like some of the alpacas who usually hang out and don't like butt into the fun, whatever we're doing. Like when we're feeding maple leaves or whatever. Like Maggie never comes over for that.
And it's also like, I think it's right at the perfect height for them,
Yeah.
where it's not like going all over their back and their faces unless they really want it to. It's like perfect leg and undercarriage height, so. And that's usually where we spray them. We spray down their necks and their chest and their front legs.
Oh. Maggie loves it.
Maggie's a big fan. Brownie, are you gonna lay down? Enjoy it for everybody.
This is so cute. Oh, Maggie.
All right, so everybody's had their fun up here. So I'm gonna cut this off and then we'll bring it down to the emus and see how they like it.
Off and empty, still fun.
No. All right, so the only downside that I thought we might have with the alpacas is that they would tear it with their hooves. And I don't know if that shows up. You can see they did make a couple of holes in this.
Oh, wow.
But this isn't the part that the water comes through. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that, but we'll see. All right, emus.
Well, right off the bat, they're super curious about it.
All right, here we go. All right, well, I guess the emus do not care for this at all. They had more interest in it when it wasn't spraying water. And I'm surprised because we would dump out their water to give them fresh water and they would just plop down immediately right in that puddle. And so I always thought that they would have loved this thing because it's basically just a big puddle. Guess not. right, so it would seem the boys are just not very excited about this. Ace is kind of standing and getting some of it on his neck, but everybody else is kind of just standing around. So, sort of disappointed that they weren't more excited about it, but I'm glad that the ladies liked it. That, I think, made the whole purchase all worthwhile. So now we're going to take this over to our dogs and probably watch them destroy it or run away from it. Well, Pebbles is ready for it.
I don't think she is.
Don't bite it.
Where are our other dogs?
Hey, dog. Cookie lady. Not coming. All right, well, it was a bust for the dogs, sort of a bust for the alpaca boys. The emus didn't quite like it, but the lady alpacas absolutely adored it. And that, even just like that first 15 minutes of just watching them enjoy it was the best. Pepper gets scared when the hose is on full throttle, but she's fine with a big puddle of water, as you can see. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. I think we're gonna take this now and throw it back in the ladies and leave it on. It's gonna get hot today, so it'll be nice for them to have this. Thank you guys for watching. Really hope you enjoyed. See you next time.
Bye.